you want it come down to here?
Well, whatever is like traditional, whatever you would, however you would do
I
it.
did Lorenz thing. It was so it's when you do it, so it's your hand is on there. So you can start from here. Either way. Okay. I started from here though. All you do is go like this and grab a hole. And then
Okay.
And then the break from that, after that, you're going to bottom, which is a figure 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, side, 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 side. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
you can make it
Okay, tight. You're trying to get it, basically under the rope each side.
So
for the
you have to
first
come down like this.
Okay.
So in order, so this one stays underneath, so it doesn't slip off.
Okay.
And then you keep on going. You just make sure you hold this
pull it real tight?
Yeah. And it'll stay. And you just go over the clip there. It's best if you braid thicker,
Oh, okay.
like triple or something before you braid it, you know. Triple the yarn.
Okay.
You keep on going. See, this one is long, so you can come back from go this way
And go back up?
and then go back up. You know. So you want it to you know, cover this too, you know.
Right. And the other trick will be how you finish it.
See, if I had a scissors here, you can just snip this off, cut this right off.
Okay.
So you don't have to deal with that.
So your left hand going to your eye. And your hand out to your out. Switch.
And you can keep going to where you want it to
Where would
end.
be a
So,
good how wide would you want? I guess depending on how big your hand is.
However you want it, you know. It's
Is it
wide.
okay if it shows above?
Yeah, because nobody's gonna see it. So.
Right. Yeah, because for me the problem is it
Yeah.
just keeps sweating and then the
I
dye
know,
comes off.
that's what you don't want to happen is to get the dye on your hand.
Right.
You know, I think it is about as much as you can go, so you have
Right.
you know.
Oh, that looks good. And then holds it nice and stiff
Yeah.
too.
See, you can snip this right off here, and I'll show you how to. You just put your thumb here,
Okay.
to finish it off.
So you use them to make a little loop.
Yeah,
And then tie it.
you just go like this, and just pull on it. You can do it twice if you want.
Oh, okay.
And then you can, let's see if it's finished, you know, if it's in the end
It'll
of the
stay.
So you can just snip this off, and you can use a match or lighter
Oh, okay.
to, you know, to burn
it and make it hard.
Just a touch on
Oh,
the
okay.
end. Or you can sew it with a needle, you
Okay.
know, and then you sew it right down to the material, to the red material.
Oh, okay.
And it'll stay.
Okay.
It's the same as here too. Where you begin, see where you begin from this end, you can sew it down too.
Okay. That's a good
You know?
idea. Yeah.
Or just touch a little glue, hot glue or something, and you can just, you know, touch it like this, and it'll keep the yarn from unravel and stuff. That's all it's great. And you can go back and forth, so this clip disappear, you know. If you keep on going like this all the way to the
Back
end
to
here,
cover
yeah.
that little
And
plastic
do the
Right.
same. Yes, the front here with the leg.
Yeah, so see that long piece and it's still used up, you know, most of it. Okay.
That's all. It's pretty easy. So, and you just cut this off. So
Right.
it's a nice crib.
Yeah, so now at least it doesn't, the dye doesn't come off as much, but it's getting warm and then it starts to shred.
See, you can